When Chloe Boyd, 11, and Cherry Ocalica, 7, visited the Newport Aquarium in Newport, Kentucky, Sunday, they knew they would see fish, stingrays, sharks and maybe even an octopus. The last thing they thought they would see was their soon-to-be stepdad, Navy reservist Ryan Goodwin, who had been away from them, and their mom, Goodwin's fiancée, Michelle Ocalica, the past 8 months on a deployment to Kuwait. It started out as a joke. Goodwin, 23, of Centerville, Ohio, told GoodMorningAmerica.com of the surprise he wanted to give the girls because the deployment had been so hard on them. He said, "Soldier surprises kids with reunion at hockey game. I said to Michelle, we could always take them to the aquarium and I could jump out with the sharks and say hi to them," he recalled. From there it just took off into this big idea of being in the dive show and getting to talk to them from inside the tanks. Chloe, for one, was so surprised that she only believed it was really Goodwin behind the scuba mask when he named the 2 shows the family watches together, Futurama and My Little Pony. She got up and said, "That's definitely got to be Ryan," Goodwin said. "They loved it." Cherry said, "I wish you had never been gone for that much days. Watch a military reunion at a Chicago Bulls game." Newport Aquarium says the military surprise between Goodwin, a Master-at-Arms 3rd class in the Navy Reserve, and his fiancée's daughters was a first in the 11 years the aquarium has been hosting its dive shows. "We've done a lot of marriage proposals and even did a wedding underwater one time, but this was so incredibly special," said Jennifer Meeks, the aquarium's dive safety officer. "We see these on TV all the time and we just felt so honored to have him." Goodwin emailed the aquarium with his idea and Meeks, whom Goodwin says was the brains behind it all, took it from there. Meeks said she knew they could throw Goodwin in with the sharks, literally, for this surprise because of his experience as a Navy diver. "We were happy to host one of our own and help him out," she said. "He was thanking us profusely and we just wanted to thank him right back. There wasn't a dry eye in the house." Snow White helps with Marine Dad-Daughters reunion. Now that Goodwin is back home for the foreseeable future, he does not know when or where his reserve unit will deploy next. He plans to continue to pursue his teaching degree and plan for the family's next big milestone, one that will not be a surprise. He and Ocalica, 38, who have been dating for 3 years and engaged for 9 months, plan to tie the knot on August 10. "That's going to be pretty hard," he said of topping what he called a magical moment for Chloe and Cherry. "I could probably show up to the wedding in camouflage and that would probably surprise Michelle as much as the girls were surprised."